Player number one, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Don in Florida. Actually, a tune-up and repair report. First of all, thank you, Don, for your patience. This radio's been here for just a little bit. We're not taking any kind of repairs at all in whatsoever right now. We've got we've got a bunch here. And if you follow us, you know we're pretty busy with new sales on truckcbsales.com. We do about one video for every 10 radios that go out the door. It just depends on if they select the tune-up video when they order it, or there might be other circumstances for that. But anyways, Don, we got you fixed up. You'll notice your radio shining. Had to pull the face off as well to do this repair, so I went ahead and cleaned up the face plate for you. It was just a little dusty, no big deal. But a problem with transmit modulation and overloading the front end of the receiver with the station close to you. Now with the loader truck nearby you overloading you, I don't know if this is 100% fixed, because you're gonna have to put it back in a real life situation. However, I hooked up 3 monitor radios on live antennas right here in the shack, and it was crystal clear on this radio with this radio sitting right here. You can't get no closer than that. Got your transmit issue fixed as well, and made a couple tweaks on the tune to our liking, bring that bird average power up some. Okay, so let's just start with RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. That's right, 2 watts all the way down in case you're going to run an amp. Roll it all the way up. 25 watts. Show your average power swing. Hello. Swinging forward to 50 bird. Before it wasn't swinging forward at the 25 watt mark. It was just kind of sitting still. Nothing wrong with that the way it was. It's just not the way we do it here. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 100 watts in the corner, okay? You can run this in where you want. I know you're in a big truck, or a dump truck, so let me set this thing down a little bit. 20 watts where I'd probably run it, right there. Where I would run it right about there. Okay. All right, Don, it's ready to come back to you. I appreciate your very good patience, and everybody else out there that's waiting. If you've got a radio in for repair, just keep in mind we're not taking any at all, and we're just working them in as we get them. If you get tired of waiting, don't hesitate to call me. It's your equipment. You can call and check on it anytime, or ask for a return anytime. I'll be more than happy to do so, okay? All right, folks. Y'all have a blessed Sunday from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.